Today we will show you how to assemble the Adeept Smart Car Kit. These are all the components we need. There is a protective paper on the surface of the acrylic. You can tear off the protective paper. Control the servo shaft to rotate to the central position. Place 4M3*12 copper standoffs on the holes of A01, and then fix them with 4M3*8 screws to determine the direction of subsequent assembly. Note the orientation of the circular hole. Fix the 5M3*14 countersunk screws to the L18650X2 battery holder with 5M3 nuts, and then install the battery holder to A01 with 5M3 nuts. Fix 4M2*11 copper standoff with 4M2*8 screws. Secure the OLED screen with 4M2*8 screws. Use 2M3*30 screws and 2M3 nuts to fix the DC motor to A09. Assemble 2 sets. Use 4M3*8 screws to fix 4M3*30 copper standoffs to A01. Install WS2812 to A10. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts. Fix the components assembled in steps 4.1 and A10 to A01. Fix using 2M3*8 screws. Install the rear wheel onto the motor shaft. Assemble the servo to the A06 using 2M2*14 screws. Assemble 2 sets. A second set is used when installing an ultrasonic module. Install the servo on the A11. Fix 4M3*30 copper standoffs to A11. Install rocker arm and A04. Do not fully tighten the screws, otherwise the acrylic plate will not rotate freely. Install the front wheels. The installation direction of A05 in the two sets is different. When installing the second set of wheels, the A05 is rotated 180 degrees before installation, other same. Fix 2M3*18 copper standoffs to A01. Install the front wheels and steering components. From a top view, the rocker should be in the middle of the rotation range, so it can rotate about 45 degrees to the left and right. Otherwise, you need to readjust it again according to step 5.1 above. Fix front wheels and steering components. Install the I2C matrix display. Use 8M3*5 screws, and 4M3*8 copper standoffs. Use 2M3*12 screws. Assemble with A10. Install the servo. Use the second set of servo installed in 5.2. Fix rocker arm to A07. Assemble A07 to servo. Install the servo to A07. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts. Assemble rocker arm to A08. Assemble ultrasonic module to A08. Use 4M1.6*10 screws and 4M1.6 nuts for ultrasonic installation. Assemble camera to A08. Before installing the camera, connect the cable of the camera, as shown below. Install the camera using 4M2*10 screws and 8M2 nuts. Install 3CH line tracking module. Use 2M3*12 screws and 4M3 nuts. Assembly light tracking module. Install the ESP32 expansion board to A01. Install the antenna to A01. Please connect the circuit correctly, as shown in the following picture.
you.